subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Let's begin the video. So in this video we are going to learn what is Indian culture, incredible India heritage. So Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, belief systems, political systems, artifacts and technologies that originated in or are associated with the Indian subcontinent. Also guys, Indian culture includes different languages, music systems, dances, also festivals. Types of dresses we wear also vary from one place to another. Let's discuss all of these one by one further. Before this, I am going to explain why culture is important for us. So culture defines people's values, beliefs and personal interests. Culture is important because it allows people to maintain a unique society. Many cultures have customs that differ greatly from one that of other. So did you understand why culture is important? You are interested in such type of dresses and another group of such people are interested what you are in. Right? Example, you are interested in painting or wearing dress made of woolen. And some other group of people who are interested in wearing same dress or doing the same activity. So they are accepted to be in your group. And you have been grouped into one group and you have a different culture from another who like to wear a cotton dress or do any other activity. Right? Some are interested in another type of folk dance and some are interested in some other. Right? Sometimes people wear different types of clothes in different places according to the climate. As you know, we do that sometimes. Like in summer, we wear cotton clothes and not the materials, but we do see the types of dresses such as draping one and wearing one. There are different types of clothes in materials. So let's see that all in another video. But for now, let's see the next topic. Technology has a huge impact on present day cultures. Many cultures have been altered and some have been created due to the rise of technology. Let's get into the culture deeply. 1.3 billion people live in Indian subcontinent and unity through diversity is the main point of attraction in India. Also, Indian civilization is ancient. The Indus Valley civilization was one of the first civilizations on earth. The Vedic period was a time in India history when the Indian religion and caste system began. In India, people live in different localities called urban, semi-urban and rural. India is classified into four major parts: North India, Eastern India, Western India and South India. In this video, we are only going to see some major food which are taken all over the country. Those are vegetables, rice, spices, seafood, meat, coffee and tea. Do you too drink coffee and tea? I think so, because coffee and tea are popular all over the world as coffee and tea are grown all over the country. India has many religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Christianity and Islam are also followed. Monuments are like Taj Mahal, Brihadishwara Temple, Mysore Palace, the Harmandir Sahib, Ajanta Ellora Caves, Mahabalipuram, Khajuraho. These are some of the monuments. Let's learn about all the monuments or some of the monuments in a separate video. Music. Music also have a large variety like Hindustani, which means classical music of North India, and Carnatic, which means classical music of South India. Do you know any one of those? Please comment in the comment box below. Let's move to dance. Dance is an ancient cultural tradition in India. We do dance from a long ago. Dance is a very good exercise for our body. We all too know that. Do you dance? Or do you like dance? I like dance. We too see dances in cinemas. We also see songs which are different types in cinemas. Right? I hope you all have seen at least one cinema. Right? Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.